Hello, my name is Stephen, and I'm going to give you a mock lecture. Normally, I would prepare a whiteboard or blackboard with some notes, or make some PowerPoint slides for a projector to put on the screen for my students to give them a visual aid. Obviously, I don't have that here, so imagine there are notes here, and as I give you my lecture. Without further ado, this lecture is called The History of Money. Okay? So, what is money? We use it every day. It's really important. And it's also a little bit complicated. So, we're going to get into the details of the functions of money, the properties of money, and also a little bit of history if we have enough time. So, functions of money. The first is as a medium of exchange. What does that mean? When you want to buy something, money helps you to buy it. I give you some money, and you give me a bottle of water, or a hamburger, or a shirt. Medium of exchange means that it lets me exchange, trade money for goods. Now, money is really important because before money, we had to use the barter system. Now, what that means is that we both have some things, and we need to trade the things to get what we want. So, for example, I am a chicken farmer, and you are a cow farmer. And I want to trade you chickens for cows. So I say, I will give you 5 chickens for one of your cows. And you say, yes, very good. I love chickens, and I would like to make that trade. And we are both very happy. The problem is that it requires a double coincidence of need. What that means is Mr. Cow Farmer needs to want chickens, and Mr. Chicken Farmer needs to want cows. So, for example, if I come to the cow farmer and say, I will give you 5 cows for 1 chicken, and 5 chickens for 1 cow, and you say, I want a shirt, I want apple juice, I don't want your chickens. Well, now I can't buy a cow. However, everybody wants money, so I know that if I bring you some money, you will let me buy your cow for money. That's the first and probably most important function of money. It is a medium of exchange that lets you buy things. Second, money is a store of value. So today, we eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We're very full, we're very happy, everything is good. But tomorrow, we need to eat again, and next week, and next month. We need to keep our money from today to tomorrow to next week. So money is a store of value. We need to know we still have money later. So before we have money, let's say we use candy for money, right? The problem is, if someone comes and eats the candy is gone, and you have no more value. You have no more money. So money is important as a store of value. Next, money is a unit of account. This means money helps us know how much does something cost. For example, does it cost $5 or $6? So on. Money helps us know what number exactly is the price. And this is different, again, from the barter system. Because if you want to buy a cow, and you say 5 chickens, Well, maybe I have 5 chickens here and 5 chickens here. They are not quite the same. Maybe these chickens are a little bit bigger. Maybe these chickens are a little bit stronger. Maybe one chicken is sick and one chicken is very, very special for some reason. Money takes out this problem because it is the same. $1 is $1 is $1. Okay, so we covered 3 functions of money. First, medium of exchange. Money helps us buy things. Second, store of value. Money lets us keep, money until tomorrow or next week. And unit of account. Money helps us know how much does it cost. These are 3 functions of money. Next, I'm going to talk about 6 characteristics of money. So, how is money? First is durability. Money needs to be strong. Money needs to be hard to break. The candy money that I talked about before. If you get it wet, it's gone. If you leave it out and a baby eats it, it's gone. It's not very durable. Now, gold, very frequently used for money as coins. It's hard, it's strong, it will last for a long time. This is a good kind of money, right? It's very durable. So that is one characteristic of money, being durable. Second is portability. We need to be able to carry it. So the cow farmer, when he wants to buy something with cows, is very troublesome. You can't take a cow and put it in your wallet. It's hard to carry a cow. But if you have some money, it's easy to carry. You could take $100, $200, $1,000 and put it in your wallet and easily carry it where you want to go and buy something. It is hard to carry a cow. That is portability. Third is divisibility. This means you need to be able to cut it into pieces. So once again, with our example of a cow, if you cut a cow into pieces, it will die. And now you have a big problem with your money. But if you have a $10 bill, you can change the $10 bill into 10 $1 bills. It can be divided into pieces. And this is very, very useful to have different prices. Because if your only money is a cow, how do you buy something that costs less than 1 cow? Let's say you want to buy a hamburger. Are you going to give them a whole cow for 1 hamburger? No, it's too much. But what can you give them that is less than 1 cow? It's a problem. Next is number 4, uniformity. Money needs to be the same. $1 needs to be the same here as $1 over here. And that means that prices are the same as well. Again with the cow. This cow is big. This cow is small. This cow is strong. This cow is sick. They are not the same. And so if the price is 1 cow, well, which cow is it? Is it 1 big cow? Is it 1 small cow? They are not the same. The 5th characteristic is limited supply. That means there must be a limited amount of money. If everybody has so much money, the money doesn't mean anything. You can't buy anything because everybody has money and they don't want money. If you have $1 million, billion, trillion, quadrillion dollars, it doesn't matter Everybody has a million, trillion, quadrillion dollars, and nobody wants money. It must be limited. There can only be a small amount for it to be useful. Last, we have acceptability. So for money to work, we need to be able to trade it for something. And we need to know that other people want to have it. So for example, I am hungry. I go to the grocery store and I pay $1 to get an apple. And the grocery store wants my dollar. They accept my dollar for that apple because they know that if they take my dollar and go to the farmer, they can now go buy another apple. And the farmer will accept the dollar. They will take the dollar and then they will go and buy seeds or soil or whatever they need. So this acceptability is the idea that if I go to a store, I can buy something. And to give a good example of this, if I bring US dollars to China, it's not useful because it's not acceptable in China. You need renminbi to buy something in China. And that shows why acceptability is useful. Okay, this is a short taste of the lecture. I have a few other things about history and types, but I think this is just to give an example. So we covered 3 functions of money: medium of exchange, store of value, and unit of account. And we also covered 6 characteristics of money: durability, portability, divisibility, uniformity, limited supply, and acceptability. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day.